Hey woodworking enthusiasts, have you ever found yourself struggling to get those perfect resaw cuts? Are you tired of your current bandsaw leaving rough, uneven surfaces that require hours of sanding? Or maybe you're just starting your woodworking journey and wondering which bandsaw will give you the best value for your money. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share my in-depth experience with 7 of the best bandsaws for resawing. Ranked from good to absolutely outstanding. I've spent countless hours testing these machines, pushing them to their limits, and I'm excited to share every detail with you. Number 7. Wen 9-inch Bandsaw. Let me start by sharing my experience with the Wen 9-inch Bandsaw, a surprisingly capable entry-level machine that's perfect for beginners and hobbyists. During my extensive testing, I found that while it may be compact, it packs quite a punch with its 2.8 amp motor. The machine's ability to handle basic resawing tasks exceeded my initial expectations, especially considering its price point. What really caught my attention was the thoughtfully designed work table. Measuring 12 to core by 11 to 7/8 inches, it provides ample space for most small to medium-sized projects. The beveling capability from 0 to 45 degrees adds versatility to your cutting options, though I found the angle adjustment mechanism could be smoother. During my testing, I particularly appreciated the tool-free blade tensioning system, which made blade changes remarkably straightforward. The dust collection system deserves special mention. With its 2.5-inch dust port, it effectively keeps your workspace clean, though I recommend connecting it to a proper dust collection system for optimal results. The built-in work light is another practical feature that I found invaluable during detailed work, providing clear visibility of the cutting line. However, it's important to note some limitations I encountered. When working with harder woods or attempting to resaw thicker pieces, the motor showed signs of strain. The maximum cutting height of 3 to 5/8 inches might be restrictive for some projects. I also noticed that the blade tracking required occasional readjustment during extended use, particularly when working with denser materials. The fence system, while adequate for most basic cuts, could benefit from some improvements in terms of stability. That said, I achieved surprisingly accurate cuts by taking my time and ensuring proper setup before each operation. For beginners or those with limited space and budget, this bandsaw offers remarkable value. 6. Ryobi BS904G 9-inch Bandsaw. Moving up our list, the Ryobi BS904G represents a significant step up in terms of build quality and features. During my testing period, I was consistently impressed by its robust construction and user-friendly design elements. The 2.5 amp motor, while not the most powerful in our lineup, proved more than capable of handling various hardwoods with surprising efficiency. One of the standout features that impressed me during testing was the rack and pinion table adjustment system. This mechanism allows for smooth, precise angle adjustments, making it incredibly easy to set up for bevel cuts. The aluminum table provides excellent support and remains remarkably flat even under heavy use, though I did notice some flex when working with particularly heavy workpieces. The integrated work light proved to be more than just a gimmick, effectively illuminating the cutting area and reducing eye strain during detailed work. The blade tension viewing window is another thoughtful addition that I found particularly useful for maintaining optimal blade performance. This feature helped me achieve consistent cuts by ensuring proper blade tension throughout my working sessions. During extended testing, I was pleased with the dust collection system's efficiency, though I recommend regular emptying of the dust bag during longer sessions. The blade tracking system maintained good alignment throughout my testing, requiring only minimal adjustments even after several hours of use. The safety features on this model deserve special mention. The large power switch is easily accessible in emergency situations, and the blade guards provide good protection while maintaining visibility of the cutting area. While testing various cutting applications, I found the included miter gauge to be surprisingly accurate, though I would recommend upgrading it for more precise work. Number 5. SKIL 2.8 amp 9 in BW95011. The SKIL BW9501-0 brings some impressive innovations to the table, and after extensive testing, I can confidently say it's a solid performer in its class. The dual-speed operation, offering 1515 or 2620 FPM, proved to be more than just a marketing feature. It genuinely enhances the saw's versatility across different materials and cutting applications. During my testing, I was particularly impressed with the rack and pinion adjustment system's precision. This feature made height adjustments incredibly smooth and accurate, something that became especially apparent when working on projects requiring multiple depth changes. The rip fence design is another highlight, providing exceptional stability during straight cuts and maintaining its position even under significant lateral pressure. The toolless blade tensioning system is a game changer for workflow efficiency. I found myself able to change blades and adjust tension in under 2 minutes, a significant improvement over many competitors. The LED work light system provides excellent illumination of the cutting area, making it easier to follow cutting lines accurately, especially in poorly lit workshops. One aspect that really stood out during my testing was the table's tilting mechanism. The smooth operation up to 45 degrees, combined with an accurate angle gauge, made bevel cuts remarkably precise. The table surface itself is well machined and provides smooth material feeding, though I did notice some minor resistance with larger workpieces. While testing the machine's limits, I observed some vibration when pushing through thicker hardwoods, but this was easily remedied by ensuring proper blade tension and speed selection. The dust collection system performed admirably, though connecting it to a shop vacuum significantly improved its effectiveness. Number 4. RIKON Power Tools 103061. The RIKON 103061 represents a significant leap in quality and performance compared to our previous entries. During my month-long testing period, this machine consistently impressed me with its robust half HP motor and exceptional build quality. What sets this bandsaw apart is its ability to handle serious resawing tasks while maintaining precision throughout extended use. The cast iron table on this model is a standout feature that immediately caught my attention. Its substantial weight and perfectly flat surface provide rock-solid support for workpieces of all sizes. I particularly appreciated how the table's mass helped dampen vibrations during heavy cutting sessions, resulting in cleaner, more precise cuts. The table's generous size of 13 3/4 inches by 12.5 inches proved ideal for handling larger workpieces. One feature that truly impressed me during testing was the micro-adjustable guidepost system. The rack and pinion adjustment mechanism operates smoothly, allowing for precise height adjustments with minimal effort. This became particularly valuable when switching between different material thicknesses, as I could quickly adjust the guide height while maintaining optimal blade support. The frame design deserves special mention for its rigidity. During my testing of 6-inch Resaw cuts in hard maple, the frame showed minimal flex, contributing to consistently straight cuts. The upper and lower ball bearing guides are well designed and easy to adjust, providing excellent blade support and extending blade life significantly. The dust collection system on this model is exceptionally effective. With its 4-inch dust port connected to a proper dust collector, it maintained a clean cutting area even during intensive resawing sessions. The quick-release blade tension mechanism proved to be a practical feature, making blade changes and adjustments remarkably efficient. 3. Jet 14-inch Woodworking Bandsaw. Moving into professional-grade territory, the Jet 14-inch bandsaw showcases what a well-engineered machine can achieve. The 1 HP motor provides consistent, reliable power that never left me wanting more during my extensive testing period. What really sets this machine apart is its exceptional build quality and attention to detail in every component. The cast iron frame construction is a masterpiece of engineering, virtually eliminating vibration even during the most demanding cuts. During my testing, I resawed several pieces of 8-inch wide oak, and the machine maintained perfect stability throughout. The large cast iron table offers exceptional support and includes a precision ground surface that makes material feeding smooth and controlled. One of the most impressive features I discovered during testing was the high-tension spring design. This system maintains optimal blade tension throughout operation, contributing to straighter cuts and longer blade life. The built-in blade guides are among the best I've used, providing superior blade support while being remarkably easy to adjust. The quick-release blade tension lever proved to be a practical addition, allowing for rapid blade changes without losing tension settings. The large viewing windows make blade tracking adjustments straightforward, while the precision ground cast iron wheels ensure perfect blade tracking even under heavy use. The fence system deserves special praise. Its rigid construction and micro-adjustable design allowed me to achieve exceptional accuracy in both straight and resawing cuts. The rack and pinion guidepost adjustment system operates smoothly and maintains its settings even under heavy use. 2. Laguna Tools M-Band14BX. The Laguna Tools bandsaw is nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment I started testing this machine, it was clear that this was a professional-grade tool designed for serious woodworkers. The 2.5 HP motor provides incredible power, handling everything from delicate veneer cuts to aggressive resawing with remarkable ease. The ceramic guides are a game-changing feature that sets this machine apart from its competitors. During my testing, these guides provided exceptional blade control while significantly reducing friction and heat buildup. This resulted in notably longer blade life and incredibly precise cuts. The massive cast iron table offers unparalleled stability and support, making it easy to handle large workpieces with confidence. One feature that particularly impressed me was the foot brake system, which allows for quick stops when needed. This safety feature proved invaluable during testing, especially when making intricate cuts that required frequent adjustments. The illuminated cutting area and magnetic switch are thoughtful additions that enhance both safety and usability. The precision tension scale ensures consistent performance across different blade sizes, while the weld-free frame design provides exceptional rigidity and stability. During my testing, I was consistently impressed by the machine's ability to maintain perfect tracking and tension, even during extended resawing sessions. The dust collection system on this model is exceptional, featuring multiple collection points that effectively capture dust both above and below the table. The large viewing windows make blade tracking adjustments straightforward, while the heavy-duty trunnions provide rock-solid support for the table. 1. Jet 15-inch Woodworking Bandsaw. At the pinnacle of our list stands the Jet 15-inch Bandsaw, a machine that represents the absolute best in bandsaw technology. The 1.75 HP motor provides relentless power that never faltered during my extensive testing period. This bandsaw consistently delivered exceptional performance across every metric I tested. The massive cast iron frame and table create an incredibly stable platform that virtually eliminates vibration. During my testing, this translated into perfectly straight cuts, even when resawing thick hardwoods. The advanced guidepost system with rack and pinion adjustment offers precise control over blade positioning, making it easy to achieve optimal setup for any cutting task. The Poly V belt drive system is a standout feature that delivers optimal power transfer while significantly reducing maintenance needs. During my testing, this system provided smooth, consistent power delivery without the belt adjustment issues common in lesser machines. The large viewing windows make blade tracking adjustments straightforward, while the retractable blade guard system provides excellent safety while maintaining full visibility of the cutting area. The fence system on this model is particularly noteworthy, featuring a robust design with micro-adjustability that allows for precise positioning. The tall Resaw fence attachment proved invaluable during my testing of thick stock, providing excellent support and ensuring straight, consistent cuts. The ball-bearing blade guides are precisely machined and easily adjustable, offering superior blade support and control. The dust collection system is highly efficient, with multiple collection points that effectively capture dust and debris. The heavy-duty trunnions and positive stops at 90 and 45 degrees ensure accurate, repeatable cuts, while the large cast iron wheels provide perfect blade tracking and reduced vibration.